So the rule of thumb to remember for removing these edger pads is lefty loosey, righty tighty. You take your removal tool, and you can use anything that's going to fit into the larger hole. I just find the larger hole is a little better because it's a little meatier. I just have an old drill bit here that I don't use anymore, and I've taped it off here. Basically it inserts here, and we're going into that hole a good 3/4 of an inch. You'll note that I don't have any screwdriver in the side fan or going through the bottom. That's not necessary. It's actually dangerous. This is just cast aluminum. Your fan system in here is a cast aluminum. So if you whack it and you have a screwdriver in there, there's a potential of chipping the fan blade that's in the side or in the bottom. So you don't need to do that. You take a nice weighted hammer, you hold this, removed. You don't need to have any screwdrivers or anything in your fan unit. It's better not to do that. Take your new pad. You might be nervous at first doing this. I know, before I would take it up to the service guys and have them do it for me, but it's not a big deal. And they use this other type of tool, which has the 2 prongs, it grabs it, but you don't need that either. This is fine doing it like this. It always works, and it's fine. Now, then I put this in here and I give it one little tightening, and that's it. Done. I always like to put an old used edger paper on here just to protect the rubber. But other than that, that's all it takes to change an old edger pad. So until next time, happy sanding and refinishing. Dave out.